Are you looking for high-paying jobs you can do from the comfort of your home? Imagine the flexibility, the freedom to set your own hours, and the savings from avoiding the daily commute. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many people around the globe. The world of work is changing and more opportunities than ever are knocking at your door. So why not explore some lucrative job options you can do from home? Stay tuned. Kicking off our list is freelance writing. A realm of endless possibilities, freelance writing is all about penning down your thoughts, ideas, or facts in a compelling manner. The beauty of this job is its flexibility. You can write from anywhere, at any time, and on a topic that interests you. Now, let's talk money. Freelance writers can earn anywhere from a modest sum to a six-figure income annually. It all depends on your skills, the type of writing you do, and the clients you work with. But here's the real kicker. You don't need a degree in journalism or English to be a freelance writer. While these can help, what matters most is your ability to write engagingly and effectively. So whether you're a recent graduate, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a career pivot, freelance writing is a viable option. With talent and persistence, freelance writing can turn into a lucrative career. Next up on our list is virtual assistantship. Picture yourself as the backbone of a business, working from the comfort of your home. That's right, as a virtual assistant, you'll be providing administrative, technical, or even creative assistance to various businesses and entrepreneurs. This role could include anything from managing emails and appointments to handling social media and customer service. What skills do you need? Well, apart from being tech-savvy, having excellent communication and organizational skills are key. You gotta be a pro at multitasking and problem-solving too. And of course, being able to work independently is a must. Now let's talk money. The income range can vary widely, but typically virtual assistants can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 an hour, depending on their skills and experience. And guess what? The demand for this role is skyrocketing thanks to the rise of online businesses. If you're organized and have good communication skills, this might be a great home-based job for you. Moving up the ladder, we have web development. In the digital world we live in today, web development has become a cornerstone of the business landscape. But what exactly does a web developer do? In simple terms, they are the architects of the internet, designing, building, and maintaining websites. From the aesthetics to the user interface, they make sure everything is functioning perfectly. Web developers can specialize in different areas like front-end development, which focuses on the look and feel of a website, or back-end development, which involves the server-side operations that make a website run smoothly. A full-stack developer, on the other hand, can do it all. Now let's talk about the skills required. You'll need a solid understanding of programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Knowledge of design principles and the ability to problem solve are also crucial. But don't worry if you're starting from scratch. There are plenty of online resources and courses that can help you build these skills. As for the earning potential, it's quite impressive. Depending on your experience and specialization, you could earn anywhere from $40,000 to over $100,000 a year. And here's the kicker, the demand for web developers is expected to grow by 15% over the next decade, much faster than average. So, if you're tech savvy, enjoy problem solving, and have a flair for design, web development could be your ticket to a high-paying job from the comfort of your own home. For those tech-savvy individuals, web development can be a profitable home-based job. Climbing higher, we have digital marketing. This field is a dynamic and ever-evolving space that offers a wealth of opportunities. As a digital marketer, your role is to develop, implement, and manage marketing campaigns that promote a company's products or services. Your job is to enhance brand awareness within the digital space, drive website traffic, and acquire leads. It's all about connecting with the audience in the right place at the right time, the digital world. The skills required for this role are varied and diverse. You need to have a solid understanding of search engine optimization, social media, content marketing, data analytics, and more. But don't be intimidated. Many of these skills can be learned online, and there are plenty of resources available to help you along the way. Now, let's talk about income. The potential income range for digital marketers is broad. Entry-level positions can earn around $30,000 annually, but with experience and specialization, you could rake in over $100,000 a year. In today's online-centric business environment, companies are investing heavily in digital marketing. They recognize its potential for reaching a wider audience and achieving better customer engagement. As a result, the demand for skilled digital marketers is on the rise. If you have a knack for strategizing and creativity, digital marketing can offer you a high-paying home-based job. Last but not least, topping our list is data science. Now you might wonder, what does a data scientist do? Well, in the simplest terms, they turn raw data into meaningful insights. They sift through large amounts of data, analyze it, and use their findings to help companies make informed business decisions. So if you've got a knack for spotting patterns and making sense out of numbers, then this might just be the perfect job for you. But of course, it's not just about being good with numbers. To excel in this field, you'll need a solid understanding of algorithms, machine learning, and statistical modeling. You'll also need to be proficient in data analysis tools and programming languages like Python or R. And let's not forget about critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It's a challenging role, but one that's incredibly rewarding. And speaking of rewards, let's talk about potential earnings. As a data scientist working from home, you're looking at a potential income range that's truly enticing. Entry-level data scientists can expect to earn a handsome salary, and for those with more experience and expertise, the earnings can soar to impressive heights. The demand for data scientists is on the rise, with companies across all sectors recognizing the importance of data analysis in strategic decision-making. So, it's safe to say that this is a job with great future prospects. For those with a love for numbers and patterns, data science can be a highly lucrative home-based job. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed together through a world of opportunities, all accessible right from the comfort of your own home. Let's take a moment to recap what we've discovered today. First, we delved into the realm of freelance writing. This job offers the freedom to express your creativity while earning a handsome paycheck. All you need is a knack for words, a good handle on grammar, and the ability to meet deadlines. Next, we ventured into the domain of virtual assistantship. This role requires you to be organized, reliable, and have excellent communication skills. You'll be helping with administrative tasks, and in return, you could earn a substantial income. Thirdly, we explored the exciting world of web development. If you love problem solving and have a good understanding of coding languages, this could be the perfect fit for you. Not to mention, it's a profession that pays well and is in high demand. Our fourth stop was the dynamic field of digital marketing. If you're a strategic thinker with a flair for creativity, this could be your calling. And yes, it pays well too. Finally, we delved into the intricate world of data science. If numbers and patterns fascinate you, and you're not afraid to tackle complex problems, this could be the high-paying home-based job you've been looking for. Let's not forget the perks of working from home, no commuting, more flexibility, and the chance to create your ideal work environment. The benefits endless and the opportunities boundless. The world is shifting, and so is the conventional notion of a workplace. These high-paying jobs are proof that you don't need to be confined to an office to earn a living. All you need is the right skill set, a dash of dedication, and a sprinkle of determination. Remember, the future of work is flexible, and these high-paying home-based jobs are testament to that. Good luck on your job search, and until next time, keep dreaming big. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got more tips, insights, and opportunities heading your way soon. So stay tuned and be a part of our community by subscribing to our channel. Happy job hunting!